Welcome to What's in the Pot. I'm your host Sean Grande, and today we're doing an unboxing. Unboxing like we've never done before on the channel. We're unboxing a Traeger Ironwood 650. I've leveled up my grill game and I'm now part of Team Traeger. I'm a Traeger ambassador, so I'm going to show you how I assemble my Ironwood 650. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Big thanks and shout outs to everyone at Traeger, the whole Traeger team. It's What's in the Pot. Okay, so our first box, it says start here. So let's open it up and see what we have inside. So here we go. So a nice little note from Traeger. A little handwritten note. Welcome to the wood fire revolution. And this is a Wi-Fi grill, so there's an app. So I'm gonna tell you how to do that. It's a nice little pellet guide. And obviously our assembly guide. Owner's manual, our probe, tools, and some pieces for the grill. So let's go through all the pieces. So we got one leg. Got another. And you can put your drink in here. Traeger made it so easy. Everything is color coded or number coded. So number 5 goes into here. Number 3 goes into here. And you just get your screws and lock them in, and that's how you put the legs in. So we have our legs completed. We also put in the side wheels on the side here. So we have a couple more pieces left to do. So we got our shelf and our handle, and I'm gonna put those in and we'll be almost finished. We're gonna go ahead and install our drip tray. It's right in there. Nice and snug. And this also comes with a nice drip tray liner. So you can always get these on Traeger's website. This will help you keep your grill clean. So that is the Traeger Ironwood 650. Seats all set up. It's all beautiful inside. And we're gonna be doing a video on the first burn. See some hooks where you can hook like your barbecue utensils. This is where the grease comes out and it goes into your drip bucket. You can also add a shelf, which I'll be getting a shelf to add to the front. This is our hopper for our pellets. And this actually has a light and a pellet sensor, which is pretty cool. And this takes 20 pounds of pellets. And then this is the digital system here, where you can also connect this to your phone because it is Wi-Fi technology using the Traeger app. So it's your boy Sean Grande. Thank you very much to Traeger. This is my new Ironwood 650. Look out for more videos to come. Peace.